Transmission lifters play a vital role in automotive servicing. I've got two of our models here and we'll take you through them in this video. It is important to choose the correct transmission lifter for the application. For example, our TradeQuip 1-ton unit is designed for four-wheel drives and light commercials, where our Borum 2-ton unit is designed for trucks and earth-moving equipment. This view will give you a fantastic opportunity to see the sheer size difference between our TradeQuip 1-ton and our Borum 2-ton headstocks. So the TradeQuip headstock has a two-way tilting head, which means it'll tilt either forwards or backwards, where our Borum unit will have a four-way tilting head, which means forwards, backwards, left and right. Both our TradeQuip and our Borum models feature 4 heavy-duty swivel castors, which makes it easy to move around the workshop. From this angle, you'll get a better understanding on how much bigger our Borum unit is to the TradeQuip unit. For example, the TradeQuip unit weighs 54 kilos, where our Borum 2-ton unit weighs 140 kilos. That is massive. Both our TradeQuip and our Borum models feature a 360-degree piston pump with handle, as well as a conveniently located release valve. Both of our TradeQuip and our Borum models come ready to go out the box. All that's needed is to fit the wheels and the safety chains. They even come with this handy tow hook. If you'd like to know more information about these two models, please feel free to visit our website at www.tqbbrands.com.au. Thanks for watching.